I'm out of the belief that you guys really know what probable cause is most of the time. So we'll see.
He wants to discuss.
Oh, I mean, you guys are going to discuss it with internal affairs. But you got some new guys here in Hollywood. We're going to have to learn the ropes of how to do things right.
All right, sir. My information is my partner's information. You said you're here to make a complaint about an incident from last night.
Yeah, so the first one would be for biased policing. The other complaint would be for violation of the pretextual stop policy. And then there's going to be a third one for illegal search.
No, wait for them. Wait for them to take turn green.
Yeah, what happened? What was that about? Why they search you, man?
It wasn't even about nothing.
I know, but why they search you?
Being black.
I'm not of the belief that you guys really know what probable cause is most of the time, so we'll see.
He wants to discuss.
Oh, I mean, you guys are going to discuss it with internal affairs before you guys discuss. I'll send this over to the commission tonight. It's the biggest sign that you're insecure about the stop is when you don't want to talk about it. I have no problem talking to every other officer about it, but you got some new guys here in Hollywood. We're going to have to learn the ropes of how to do things right. Fact of the matter is, there's a new policy in place that says you guys have to have a probable. Listen, you have to even get to the point for a search. You have to have some sort of reason to escalate. Then on top of it, you have to have probable cause for the search. We'll see. This is Michael Moore's guys out here, and this is how Captain Galani has his patrol officers handling shit.
All right, sir. My information is my partner's information. All right. The incident number is this traffic stop on the back.
Thank you.
You said you're here to make a complaint about an incident from last night.
Yeah, so the incident was at,
Before you get into the incident, and so I don't get mixed up in the trail, mind if I get some information first?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's see. Last name, sir?
Gude,
First name?
William.
Did you want to provide your address? Or
It's on file also.
On file? Okay. When we talked about last night, we were talking about the 17th?
17th, correct.
So, what location, sir?
It was on Sunset, west of Highland.
Okay.
What's right there?
It's Hollywood High School.
Okay. All right. And then what happened?
So it involved a traffic stop. I'm going to get into the details with internal affairs, but the specific complaints will be for, the first one would be for bias policing.
Patrol vehicle stopping another vehicle, or?
Yeah, patrol vehicle stopping another vehicle.
Okay. What type of vehicle is it, sir? Remember?
It was a sedan. I don't
The
know.
color?
Gray?
Gray. And were you the driver?
No, I'm third party.
Third, okay. And then I'm sure you know with the bias policing, there's a few questions I have to ask you specifically.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to skip it, I've done it so many times. I'm not going to answer them now anyway because I'm just going to talk about it with internal affairs. If you want to go through it real
You mind if I
quickly,
just go through it?
that's fine.
Why do you believe it was biased?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
Were there any specific behaviors you want to talk about that you saw?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
The actions, you'll talk about that, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, from the angle you saw them, could they have seen the person's ethnicity or race?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
Do you know how long were they, it was a stop, you know?
It was at least 40 minutes.
By any chance, do you remember if the windows were tinted on the vehicle?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
Did you hear any statements or anything,
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
and did they explain to you or the party that was stopped why they stopped them?
They refused to tell me.
Tell you, okay. Do you know if they said it to the person driving or the passenger?
He was not persuaded by what they had to say.
But they did explain it.
Something to him.
Okay. What do you know what they said? Like what the reason why the stop was?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs. It was, yeah, you went through a red light.
Okay, running a red light. Do you want to give me your explanation on or definition on what bias policing is?
I'll talk about that with internal affairs.
Who was the officers that you are talking about?
All right, so the first one is Officer Figueroa, serial number 44232.
I'm sorry, what was the serial number again?
44232.
And who was the other officer?
The other officer is Reynoso, 44028.
And they provided you a business card.
They provide me a business card. So bias policing is one of the complaints.
And
The other complaint would be for violation of the pretextual stop policy.
and that's against the same two officers.
Same two officers. And then there's going to be a third one for illegal search.
And those are the same officers as well.
Same officers.
Okay. Did anyone else arrive at the scene, or was it just?
Just them.
And so bias policing, violation of pretext stop, and illegal search.
Correct.
Any others?
That's it.
Okay. Let me give you a business card real quick.
I've got your business card like 5 times already. If you could just send me an email with the CF number,
Okay.
that'd be good.
Film the police at LA. Film the police LA at gmail.com.
Correct.
Okay. You sure? Want another one?
I have so many of them. So I don't really need it. I already have I have your serial number, so that's good enough, you know. If you want to provide
Let
it.
me give you one.
All right, that's
Give you
fine.
one. What time was the stop?
10. I'm sorry. It was. I'll tell you right now. It initiated somewhere around 9 p.m.
Is that the passenger, the front passenger?
Okay.
All right.
Sir,
Thank you. I appreciate it, Sergeant.
thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You have a good one.